How to change your birthday on TikTok. As of now, within the latest version of TikTok, you can change your birthday on TikTok by the following two ways, either by submitting a report or by simply creating a new account. In this video, we're going to learn how to submit a report to change your birthday on TikTok. Firstly, have your TikTok open and go on to the profile section and tap on the three horizontal lines and simply click Settings and Privacy. Once that is done, you're going to have to scroll all the way down until you see Report a Problem. Simply tap on it like shown on the screen. And now once you're in, scroll all the way down until you see Submit a Report. Now this is where you can report to TikTok that your birthday is incorrect and would like to change it. You can simply write what I have written on the screen. You can also attach photos and videos to your report as well. Once you're done, we'll hit the Submit button and that's it. This is how you can change your birthday on TikTok. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.